This guy is one of the top 5 TikTok shop creators in the last 30 days, making a huge $1.12 million revenue. He only has 14,000 followers and just posts simple product videos. He's been posting 3 videos a day with a total of 85 product videos in the last 30 days. If you want to see the top TikTok shop creators in your country for free, just go to calidata.com and select your country. Let's pick the USA. Click on Creators to see the top TikTok shop earners for the last 30 days. Boom, 1.86 million, 1.47 million, 1.24 million. These numbers are insane. Right now, user-generated content, UGC, is transforming the way products are sold online. Whether it's e-commerce, dropshipping, TikTok shop, or affiliate marketing, people are making insane amounts of money without being influencers, without a huge following, and without even showing their face. Advertising has come a long way. From newspapers and radio to TV commercials and internet ads, brands have always chased the latest way to sell products. Then came influencers, revolutionizing marketing once again. And now in 2025, we've entered a new era, AI-powered UGC. Big brands and sellers used to spend millions on traditional ads, but now they're paying regular people to create authentic product videos that drive sales. The best part? You can automate this entire process with AI, even creating your own AI avatar to showcase products for you. So in this video, I'm going to break it all down step by step. Why UGC is the most powerful marketing tool in 2025. How you can start making these videos, even with zero experience. The exact AI tool that can do all the work for you. Stay until the end, and you'll have a full blueprint to start making money with UGC today. Don't forget to subscribe, reach more, and like this video. Let's dive in. UGC stands for User-Generated Content. Videos, images, and reviews created by real people, not professional marketers, to promote products. Sellers and brands love UGC because it feels real, not like a boring ad. It builds trust, costs way less than hiring influencers, and converts better than traditional ads. That's why they'd rather pay you to make short, natural-looking product videos instead of wasting thousands on old-school ads. Now you can make a UGC video using an AI avatar that actually holds the product. All you need is one product photo using Quick Screenshot. Yep, that's it. Let me show you how. I'll grab a product image from Amazon as an example. Before anything, we need a script. You can write your own for a more authentic feel, but for this demo, I'll let ChatGPT do the work. Just give ChatGPT the product title and description and ask it to generate a UGC-style script. If you're not happy with the first attempt, try tweaking it. Make it shorter, more natural, and just keep the voiceover part. The AI tool we're using today is called Top View. You can try it for free. This tool is amazing. With just one image, you can create a full-blown product video. Imagine having over 1,000 digital models in different languages and ethnicities ready to present your product in seconds. Sounds awesome, right? Let's jump in. Click the link in the description and sign up now. Go to the dashboard. You'll see multiple ways to create marketing videos. First, let's choose Product Avatar. This gives you access to hundreds of avatars. I'll filter them based on my target audience for this product and pick one. Click Replace with my product image. Adjust your product image by moving or rotating it to the right position, then hit Confirm Product Position. Let AI generate avatar options for your product, and boom, the avatar is now holding the product like a real person. How cool is that? If you don't like the options, just hit Regenerate for new ones. Use Pro Mode to turn the image into a video avatar. Click here. Now the avatar is talking.
I'm Top View Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products. Use Top View Product Avatars to make your video marketing faster and more effective.
Add your script, select your generated avatar, and paste the script we made earlier with ChatGPT. Pick a voice from here, filter the options. Find UGC-style voices and select one that sounds natural. Hit Generate, name your file, and choose the resolution. Now just hit Export, and in a few minutes, your video is ready. Let's check it out.
The Philips Norelco Shaver 5000X is designed for a smooth, comfortable shave. Its 360-degree flexible head moves effortlessly to maintain full skin contact, even in hard-to-reach areas. It provides up to 50 minutes of cordless shaving on a full charge. Need a quick touch-up? A 5-minute charge gives enough power for one full shave. It's built to last with hypoallergenic anti-corrosion steel and includes a precision trimmer and storage pouch for easy grooming on the go.
Wow, that looks amazing. You can create your own AI avatar using your own face and voice. Just click here, clone your own voice, and click here to create your own avatar. You need to upload a short video to generate your personal AI avatar. If you want to create a marketing video from a product link, just paste a product link in here. I'll use the same Amazon product. AI will analyze the product's info, photos, and videos. Choose what to include in your video. You can edit or change the script. From here, I will choose the same avatar we already used. Then hit generate, and AI will start generating high-performing video scripts based on top-viewed content. Once I pick my favorite script, I'll hit export, and it's done. Let's watch.
Spending $1,000 on skincare? Stop. Get this first. Irritation? No cap. This shaver's different. 100 desert microbeads? My face is thanking me already. 360 flex? Gets everything. No. More. Stubble. 55,000 cuts per minute? That's a smooth operator. 50 mins shave time? That's a whole vibe session. 5 min charge for a full shave? Say less, king. Hypoallergenic steel, it resists corrosion, literally. Self-sharpening blades? A king deserves no less. Level up your shave game now. Don't be a basic bro. Link in bio, smash that buy button. You deserve it.
That is amazing. This AI tool makes creating UGC videos ridiculously easy. Whether you're a beginner or already making content, this is a game changer for TikTok Shop, Amazon affiliates, or any e-commerce business. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you. For more tips on AI-powered marketing, subscribe to Reach More now and stay ahead of the game.